Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Siddhisthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 10 Basti Siddhi Successful Administration of Therapeutic Enema Part 2 Vadadosha Pacifying Basti Formulation Ardhasloge Adaha Siddha Nana Vyadishu Sarvashaha. Listen to the comprehensive description of fruitful formulation of Basti in different diseases, each one of which is described in half verse Ardhasloka as follows. Basti Virya Samaihi Bhagaihi Yadarha Lodana Sruno. These formulations contain the drug which are harmonious to each other in potency and proportion and added with suitable drugs as alodana or avaba, means drugs which are added later onto the main formulation. Three formulations of Basti for Vada disorder. 1. Bilva Agnimanda Shonaga Kashmirya Padalistada. Bilva Agnimanda Shonaga Kashmirian Padali. Second is with Shaliparni, Prishniparni, Bruhatyo, Vardhamanagaha. Third is Yava, Kulata, Kolani, Stirachedi, Trayo, Anile. Shasyande, Sa Chaduhu Snehaha, Pishidasya Rasanvidaha. These above three groups of drug are to be used along with four types of unctuous substance: Sneha, ghee, oil, muscle fat and bone marrow, Grida, Taila, Vasa, Majja, and meat soup Pishida as Basti in disease caused by Vada. Pitta dosha pacifying Basti formulations. Three formulations of Basti for Pitta disorders are 1. Nala, Vanchula, Vanira, Shadapatrani, Shaivala. Second is Manjishta, Shariva, Ananda, Payasya, Madhu, Yashtika. Third with Chandana, Patmaga, Ushira, Tunga. Sasharkara, Shaudra Gradaha, Sakshira, Bastayo Hidaha. These above three groups of drug are to be used along with Sasharkara, sugar, Shaudra honey, Grida ghee, and Kshira milk as Basti in disease caused by Pitta. Kabadosha pacifying Basti formulation. Three formulation of Basti for Kaba disorders are Arka, Tadhaiva cha Alarka, Egashtila Punardava. Second, Haridra Tribhala Musta, Pidadharu Kudannada. Third, Pippali Chitraka. Sakshara Shaudra Gomutra Na Adisnehanvidahita. These above three group of drug are to be used along with Shara, alkali, Shaudra, honey, Gomutra, cow's urine, as Basti in disease caused by Kaba. Pakwashaya Shodaga Basti, colon cleansing enema. Four formulations of Basti for Pakwashaya Vishodhana are 1. Phala, Jimodaga, Ikshvaku, Dhamargava and Vatsaga. Second, Shyama, Tribhala, Stira, Dandi, Dravandi. Third, Praghirya, Udagirya, Nilini, Kshirini. Fourth is Saptala, Shankini, Lodram, Phalam, Kambilaga. Chatvara Mutra Siddhaste, Pakwashe Vishodhanaha, Vyastaihi Abhi, Samastaihi Cha, Chadur Yoga, Udahradaha. These above four group of drug prepared with cow's urine are to be used as Basti for colon cleansing. These four group of drug can be used separately or jointly. Basti formulation for enhancing Shukra and Mamsa, semen and muscle tissue. Four formulations of Shukra Mamsala Basti for promotion of semen and muscle tissue are: first, Kagoli, Kshira Kagoli, Mudgaparni, Shadhavari. Second, Vidhari, Madhuyashti, Srinkadaga, Kasheruga. Third, with Arpa Gupta Phalam, Masha, Godumayava. And fourth is Jalaja Anubajam, Mamsa. Meat of aquatic and marshy land inhabiting animal. Shukra, Mamsala. These above four groups of drug are to be used as Basti for promotion of semen and muscle tissue. Sangraha Basti formulation, astringent action. For formulation of Basti for Sangrahika, astringent action are first, Jeevanti Agnimanda, Dadagi Pushpa Vatsaga. Second, Pragraha, Khadira, Kushtam, Shami, Pinditaka, Yava. Third, Priyangu Rektamoli, Taruni, Swarna Yudhika. And fourth is Vadhadyaha, Kinshugam, Lodram, Idi. Basti formulation in Parisrava, excessive secretion from body. So two formulation of Basti for arresting Parisrava, that is excessive secretion from body are first Parisrave Sradam Kshiram, Sara Vrishchira Punardavam, milk boiled with Vrishchira and Punardavam. Second Ago Parnikaya va Abhi Tanduliyaga Yuktaya, milk boiled with Ago Parnika and Tanduliyaga. Basti formulation in Daha or burning sensation in body. Two formulations of Basti for reducing Daha, burning sensation. Kalangadaga, Kandekshu, Darba, Podagala, Ikshu. Second, Dvidiyascha, Utpaladi, Vishi. That is Ulpaladi and other aquatic plants of group. Dahagnaha, Sagridak, Shiro. These above two groups of drug along with milk and ghee used as Basti relieve Daha or burning sensation. Basti formulations in Parikartika, fissure in ano. Two formulations of Basti for treating Parikartika are 1. Milk cooked with Karbudara, Adagi, Niba, Vidula, added with honey and sugar should be given as cold Basti in Parikartika by physician. Parikarte tadha vrindaihi Sri Parnika Vidharijaha Deyo Bastihi. So Vaidyasto Yadavat Vidida Kriyahi. Milk cooked with stock of Sri Parni Kovidhara added with honey and sugar should be given as cold Basti in Parikartika by the good physician who have a correct knowledge of therapeutics. Basti formulation in Pravahika or tenesmus. Two formulation of Basti beneficial in Pravahana are 1. Bastihi Shalmali Vrindana, milk prepared with stock of Shalmali mixed with ghee. Okay. Hidaha Pravahane Tadvad Veshtai Shalmalikasya cha, and milk prepared with resin of Shalmali mixed with ghee used as Basti are beneficial in Pravahana. Two formulation of Basti for treating the complications due to overaction of Basti. Milk prepared with Ashwavarohika, Kaghanasa, Raja Kasheruga mixed with honey, Rasanjana and ghee. Milk prepared with Nyagroda, Udumbara, Ashwada, Plaksha mixed with honey, Rasanjana and ghee. Jeevadhana Nashaka Basti, life-threatening bleeding. Three formulations of Basti for treating Jeevadhana are 1. Milk prepared with Brihadi, Kshirakagoli, Prishniparni, Shadhavari mixed with ghee and Rasanjana. Second, milk prepared with Kashmirya, Badhari, Durva, Ushira, Priyangwaha mixed with ghee and Rasanjana. Third, Madhuga, Draksha, Durva, Kashmiri and Chandana mixed with honey and sugar. Basti Pradheyo Bishaja Shidau Samadhu Sharkarau Go Avi Aja Mahishi Kshirehi Jeevaniya Yudaihi Tatha Shasha Ena Daksha Marjara Mahisha Avi Aja Shonidaihi Sadyaihi Ega Mrididaihi Basti Jeevadane Prashasyadi. These above three groups of drug mixed with some samadhu, honey, sharkara, sugar, milk of goat, cow, avi, sheep, aja, goat or mahisha, buffalo, mixed with paste of Jeevaniya group of drug and fresh blood of shasha, rabbit, ena, deer, daksha, chicken, marjara, cat, mahisha, buffalo, avi, sheep or aja, goat and administered as cold basti is highly beneficial in Jeevadana. Basti formulation in Rakta Pitta, that is bleeding disorder, and Prameha, excessive urination, including diabetes mellitus. Two formulations of Basti for treating Rakta Pitta are 1. Decoction of Manjishta, Shariva, Ananda, Paisya, Maduga. Second, decoction of Chandana, Draksha, Datri Phala and Utpala mixed with sugar and honey. Pramehe tu kashayaha, Soma, Valkajaha. One formulation of Basti for treating Prameha is decoction of Soma, Valka. Basti formulation in various diseases. Gulma, Adisara, Udavarta, Stamba, Sankujidadishu. Sarvangaihi, Ekanga Rogeshu, Rogeshu evam Videshu cha. Yada swaihi, Aushadaihi Siddhan, Bastin Dadyat, Vijakshanaha, Purvoktena Vidhanane. Kurvan yogan pradak vidan. In condition of gulma, adisara, udhavarta, stamba, sankujita, sarvanga roga, eganga roga and for such other diseases, the deserving physician should administer fruitful basti prepared with drug appropriate for each disease condition by adopting method described earlier. Summary. Tatra slokaha. Trigaha trayo aniladhiram. Chadushkaha cha abhare trayaha. Pakvashe vishuddhyartam vrishyaha. Sangragihaga. Sangrahiga. Tadha. Parisrave tadha dahe parikarte pravahane. Sa adiyoge mado dvau jivadhane tadha trayaha. Dvau rektapitte. Mehe cha egam trimshat cha sapta te. Sulabha alpa aushada klesha bastayo gunavattamaha. To sum up, in this chapter, 37 excellent formulation of basti containing less number of ingredients which are easily available and devoid of discomfort are described as follow. 3 formulation of basti, each for Vata, Pitta, Kapha disease. 4 formulation of basti, each for cleansing colon, for promoting virility and for astringent action. 2 formulation of basti, each for excessive secretion, burning sensation, cutting pain in anal region, tenesmus, overaction of basti. 3 formulation of basti for life-threatening bleeding, 2 formulation of basti for bleeding disorder, and 1 formulation of basti for excessive urination, including diabetes mellitus. So, basti formulation mentioned in the chapter are for Vata, Pitta and Kapha disease 3 each, Pakvashya Vishuddhyartham, Vrishya Sangrahiga 4 each, Parisrava Daha Parikarta Pravahana Adiyoga 2 each, Jivadana 3 yoga, Rakta Pitta 2 formulation, Meha 1, total 37, Trimshat Sapta. इति अग्निवेशकृते तन्त्रे चरकप्रति संस्कृते अप्राप्ते दृढबलसम्पूरिते सिद्धिस्थाने बस्ति सिद्धिर्नाम दशमो अध्याय. Thus complete the 10th chapter entitled as Successful Therapeutic Aim of Siddhisthana of the treatise compiled by Agnivesha, revised by Charaka and supplemented by Dridhabala because of its non-availability. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.